And now what we do is we have made that initial gateway, we've added a button, we've executed this call function. So the problem is that suppose, and then we have created a function, and that function works perfectly well to insert data into tally. Right. Now suppose I open multiple companies. So I open this company and I also open sample 3. And then what I do is I insert into this thing and I say ledger 4 and I say duties and taxes this. Right? And I've got sample 2 value and ledger 4. Okay, so I say control C, control N, control V. So my company name is this. Now in my TDL script, I have not specified the company name. So I can say 01B E. I set value of company name, because ledger master does not have a company name, right? Let me just check here. The ledger master does not have a company name. MNOPQRST. So if the ledger master does not have a company name, to whom that ledger will go? Suppose I do this. I insert this here value and I execute. Now I go to tally, I go to configure, I go to product and features, and I've got this in vector TCP, right? And I add the data. When I add the data, now this data has gone. Now let's see that in sample 3, in display, in account books, in the ledger, is this data there? Let's see here. Ledger to insert 4 is there. I escape and then I go and select the company and I say select sample 2 and I go to ledger and this ledger 4 is not there. So the data is been inserted only for the current company. So if this is the current company now and I say insert 5, then I execute this. Now when I run this here, TDL function here, addition of data, then I'll go to my ledger and I'll get ledger info 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4th also got inserted here. So 5th has got inserted here, which is perfectly fine. But what happens when I select sample company 3? I pick ledger here. Okay, so the 4th and the 5th got added to sample 2 because both are part of it. So whichever is the current company, it will get the extract. But my link is that I need the data in sample 2 only. Otherwise, their whole thing could go for a toss. But why would it go for a toss? Because how will he get the complete ledger data? ये एक प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है because I would need that new ledger to be inserted only in that specific company. Now suppose I go to YouTube and I say Tally Solutions ODBC. Advanced capabilities, right from where I've copied the code. So this is the capabilities of the code from the advanced solutions of ODBC, right?
We have an ODBC spot.
So this is a simple job,
information.
but how will I insert it in company 2?
Data. This is the MS Access. Important is first we have on form accept called a function. This function is working on a collection. The creation of this collection is important. Of an ODBC, CMS access, or and in case you have an inner.
This is fine.
Fine. You can just Google. Look at this collection. Look at this collection. Column 3. Look at this collection. This is the data. This function is working on.
If at letter exists is greater than 0, if at ledger exists is greater than 0, how will this be checked? Then 00B dollar let name. ऐसा होगा ना. this is how it's going to be, no? Then I get this here. पर ये लास्ट में आ रहा है, कंपनी का आ रहा है. That means whichever is the company open, in that only the data is being inserted.